Check, check. Finally have a microphone. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. If you haven't heard already, I'm gonna be sponsored in the 2022 disc golf season by Basket Bashers Disc Golf. I've mentioned it in a few other videos before this, but I just got a package in the mail from them, so I'm gonna be unboxing that and see what they sent me, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. I got my cute scissors. If I could get into it. Okay, there it is. Ooh, I see lots of purple. Okay, check that out. That is a sweet logo. That is so sick. Yep, it's got the Basket Bashers logo here on the pocket. Awesome. What else we got? Looks like a hoodie. Sick. Awesome. I'm gonna put this on real quick. I get my peaches done in Georgia. Sick. Super comfortable. Nice. All right. Next. Oh, that is nice. The polo. Got black and white. That is nice for when I'm feeling extra fancy. All right, sick. And to top it off, we got some Basket Bashers stickers. Sweet logo, the double B. Nice. I'll be putting those on something. And some minis. Check it out. It's a sweet stamp. I need to get me some discs with these stamps on. And last but not least, we have a nice little pin here. So sick. I will be wearing these in my future videos. Let me try that polo on real quick. Nice. All right, guys, that'll do it for this video. Short and sweet. Thank you to Basket Bashers for sending me all this stuff. It is awesome. I'm gonna be wearing it for all my tournaments and hopefully all my videos. If you haven't already, please check out their website. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I'll get out on the course and get another video to you soon. So hit that subscribe button if you hadn't already. Hit the bell so you know when I'm posting. And I'll see you on the next video.